Hi, this is Clayton, owner of Stony RV in Stony Plain, Alberta. And today we're bringing you this 2014 Bobcat skid steer. This is the T650 2-speed high flow tracked unit. We got this from a dealer that was selling out every piece of equipment. He was just closing his doors. There is a maintenance book an inch or more thick on all the servicing and maintenance records he had running his company. It has 4,300 hours. I was really impressed with the service records, so we bought this unit off him. Comes with a smooth bucket. It has the hydraulic quick change, selectable joysticks for ISO or H pattern. The tracks are in nice shape. There's a fire extinguisher. It has the positive air shutoff system if you're working it at different sites that require it. There's no paint cover-ups on this unit, touch-ups. It is just like he brought up all his pieces in to the sale, and we bought this one. Bobcats are very expensive units, and that maintenance record really showed me that the pride of ownership and care of maintenance was there. So shut the door. So you have your idle selection, your oops, I'll go a little farther away, ISO H pattern. You can put a code in. He cleared all the codes. 4,300 hours. 2-speed. Air conditioning and heated. Windshield wipers. Stereo. So we'll just start it up here. Wait to start. Nice and quiet, doesn't burn any glue whatsoever. 4312.2. Some of the windows are open right now, they're rattling a little bit. Yeah, works great. If you're interested, let us know. Stony RV in Stony Plain, Alberta. We're located 25 minutes west of Edmonton. I used to own Parkland Equipment Rentals, so I'm familiar with all kinds of skid steers. So we buy them from time to time when we feel we're buying a good product. I talked to the owner. The owner, you can see the phone number. I'm not going to show it to you right now, but you can see the phone number kind of where the decal used to be. And he just said, yeah, he was just closing up shop. He wanted to sell them all. And this unit had no problems. That was after I bought it. So thanks again for taking the time to watch our video on this 2014 Bobcat T650.